printer that it is a printer to print out mail and barcodes, okay? So if you're going to the post office and you know the USPS, um, and the UPS website, you go there, purchase your stamp, print it out with this, and then have it picked up at your home, okay? It works really well. The paper's in there, and the buttons. I know you're saying, it's not working, it's not turning on, but everything is in the back. So somewhere around in here, where you turn it on right here, my finger is, and it comes through, and that light is like a greenish color, right? So everything is okay with it. But there's an on-screen menu that you go to. Don't threat, this is for water. There's an on-screen menu you go to that you can do the barcodes with. And I have examples of the barcode. With this is the barcode that I created, okay? And it has the name of the item that I sold. It has the address and everything of the company, and it has the barcode on there, and it has a picture of the next item that he can have in mind of what to purchase instead of the item that he actually bought. With this, you can create how you want to create. You don't have to do it exactly like this. It takes a while to set up. Please get a professional to come out and set up your machine if you can't do it yourself by instructions, because it's more than just what the instructions say. And luckily I'm an IT tech, so I set it up. And if you don't know your classwork, then you will be very confused in how to set up this printer, okay? It's a printer that is very functional and just printing up more than barcodes and more than the USPS mail. If you have a manufacturer that you go through and they're always sending you a postage stamp, you can take this and you can go ahead and you can copy it through your computer, your phone, and then it will go ahead and print out, and you can place it on your packages. It's not that big. It's really small in size. Okay, that's my hand. So it's really small in size. My hand looks huge because I'm holding it next to this. But it's really small in size. Okay. So, um, don't thread. The instructions will tell you what these green, yellow, blue, and whatever color turn light means. Okay. Right now, this printer is on hold. That's what that means. And when it prints out, it's going to print out. It should be um, either green or blue. Okay. And if it's yellow, then it's not connected properly. That means that the cord is loose or either not pushed all the way into your computer and it's not reading. Okay. So this right here, it's two buttons on the side. They are orange. Okay. It's the same ones on the side. You just push it and it opens it up and you can see the load of your paper. And yes, you are able to roll your paper back up if you like. Make sure it's on this roll right here. So if it's on the roll, if it's on the black roll right here, then it'll roll it up like it's supposed to when you close it. And it'll push the paper out. So, I know you people are like, I want to go ahead and reserve on paper. But do you think that way when you work? No, you don't. So don't worry about it. That's just how it is going to be. Okay? Unless you place it right. Okay? You would have to, that's why I said let a tech do it. Because then you would have to place it right where that roll isn't coming out like that. Okay? Every time you turn it on. It'll just stay like it is and print. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it off now. And when you turn it off, you hear that on a computer that is off. That made us switch to turn it off. And I'm going to roll this back up. Because that's what you can do. I'm just showing you what you can do with it where it's not harming it. And then I'm closing it. And then that way, the paper will stay fresh. Because some people take those and use those. They insert them from the back. And it rolls up all the way to the front. So, it's a nice little printer. It's a Ranista. And the paper sizes aren't that big. Excuse me. You can see the paper through the window. Okay. Oh, and with this button right here, when it's turned on, hold on, I'm gonna turn it on. You can push it, and more paper will come out that way. You can hold it. And it's supposed to be on standstill if you hold it for 5 seconds. So, and to me it's just, pushing. And to you it's just pushing too. Because I don't have the computer on where I can go ahead and put it on standstill. I don't have the website on. So now I'm gonna roll this back up. And by rolling this up, Okay, close that up. And that's all. Thank you. Bye bye.